everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Ghaffar, here with another exciting scholarship opportunity to share with you guys. So today I am going to talk about Turkey scholarships for 2025 intake, and I will share each and every detail with you guys. So stay tuned till end with me, and I will share what is the type of scholarship and what is the type of admission, how you can apply for the admission, what are the eligibility requirements, what are the criteria, and what is the deadline, is there any application fees for this scholarship and for this to apply for this scholarship and admission, and is it a fully funded scholarship or not, and I will cover all these headings in this video. So let's get started. So, Turkey scholarships for 2025, like in different universities, like Turkey Burslari Scholarship 2025 has opened their applications, and the Turkey government scholarships, also known as Turkish scholarship, they are accepting application for international students all around the world to study undergraduate, masters, and PhD. So, for free. So this program, they have offered these programs and these scholarships for undergraduate as well. So many of you have been asking me, like, tell us about the undergraduate. So this scholarship is offering to the undergraduate scholarship as well. Okay, so you don't miss this opportunity. Must apply over there. Okay, if you like wanted to be an international student at undergraduate level. So Turkey scholarships, like, have fully funded scholarships. These are the fully funded scholarship, competitive scholarship program, and all around the world, students from all around the world can apply over there. So let's discuss about the uh, other things. Okay, so as I have already told you yet that the scholarship provider is the Turkish government, and study level and eligible countries, I have already told you about this. So now let's discuss about the duration of this. Firstly, I will tell you about the deadline. So deadline is 20th February to apply for this scholarship, and for this for the admission is 20th February 2025. So for undergraduate, it will be like the duration of the degree, and the scholarship will be 4 to 6 years. It depends on your degree actually. So masters for 2 years and PhD for 4 years. So okay, this is the mandatory requirement that all degree holders must learn 1 year of Turkey language course. As mentioned in the Chinese government scholarship, the students who have enrolled into the different programs into the China. So this is like mandatory requirements for them to learn Chinese. As so the same requirement is for the Turkish language and for the Turkey, and they have to like learn the Turkish language. Required documents, let's talk about the required documents. So if you are going to apply for the scholarship, so valid identification card, you have valid identification card, a valid passport, a recent photo of your like of yours, and national and then national exam scores, like you have to have your diplomas, or you have to have your degrees and transcripts. So this thing is all about your transcripts and academic transcripts and international scores like GRE, GMAT, if required by the chosen program or the university. You have to like you have to see the eligibility criteria of the university where you are going to apply. Okay, I will share as an example, I will share the required documents by one university as an example in a while. Okay, so a research proposal, this is the most important thing to apply for, like if you are going to apply as a PhD student. So this thing is a most important thing. So research proposal, you have to have your research proposal written over here, and like they have written they have told you all the things about the research proposal, how to write a research proposal, it what is that mean, the research proposal, and you don't you ca how you can write a research proposal even using chat GPT nowadays. So research proposal is a comprehensive outline of the proposed research. it highlights different questions or issues that you are going to address. Like for example, it defines the area of your study, it provides the novelty of your proposed research, and it also provides what is your research interest in the past and why you chose this university and all these things. Okay, so it will basically a comprehensive guide, and you can like write comprehensive research proposal using many different factors and using many different things. Okay, softwares and etc. If you don't want to use any kind of software, you can write your research proposal as your own. Okay, because when I was applying for the PhD, so I didn't use any kind of software to write a research proposal. I just saw the format of the research proposal, and just I started I started writing the research proposal on my own, and I just wrote it, and I got the admission on the base of that particular research proposal. So yeah. And after that, now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So Turkish scholarships are open for all citizens of or all countries. The minimum level of academic achievement required. Okay, so if you are applying for the bachelor's, so bachelor degrees applicants are 70%, and health science, medicine, dentistry, pharmacy applicants are 90%. So you guys can check before applying. You guys can should check the available program. Okay, so masters and PhD degree applicants are like, if you are applying under the age of 21 for undergraduate program, under the age of 30 for master's program. So the age highly matters. Keep that thing in mind. Okay, so available fields. So these are the different available fields. They are offering admissions. Okay, so they, and you guys should check before applying over there that which fields are offering undergraduate degree level, which fields are offering upon which fields they are offering masters and PhD degrees. Okay, so now the question comes into your mind that from where we can check these degrees programs they are offering. So you guys should go into the should go into the official website, and where they have written over here that all the things, and they have written all the things related to the programs and related to the things. Okay, before going deep into the intricacies of this video, I am going to show you one example what I have said already. Okay, for example, these are the different universities, and you wanted to apply here. Okay, at this university, what you will do is go and to the different programs of the universities, which programs they are offering. And when you are when you land into that particular page, so you can see that there are different programs open. These are the names of the program, and these are also the names of the programs in English and Turkish language, and these are the degree programs. Okay, so if you are a student of accounting and auditing, so they are offering PhD degree in accounting. Okay, so you can apply here. If you are accounting, uh, if you wanted to do an undergraduate degree, so they are also offering undergraduate degree in that particular program. So you guys should check before applying which university is offering which kind of programs in, and which kind of programs in which kind of degree. Okay, so this is the most important thing. Please check this thing before applying. Okay, so I have given this university, I have given example of this university, so you guys should check which university is offering what kind of scholarships. Okay, so now this is the official website where you can apply for this scholarship. And yes, you can apply for this scholarship. So this is the application criteria I've already shared with you guys, and this is the eligibility groups I have already shared. And this is the maximum age limit they have written over here, and all these things. Okay, so now um, the main point is that land into this page, go to that application procedure, application thing, and just create your account over here, then log in here, and you just apply. Okay, and then after applying for the scholarship, go to that particular, go to the particular university where you wanted to apply, and just apply for the admission. And that's the procedure, the simple procedure. There is no application fees to apply for the scholarship, but there might be an application fees to apply for the program, for the admission. Okay, so you guys can check over here the application fees and all these things from their universities page. Okay, so these are the different steps they have written over here. Like, you need to register before initiating an application, create an account, and then sign in up for free. Okay, then the accuracy of the information you provide application is critical in order to be considered for the scholarship award. The application takes the process 30 to 60 minutes, and you can visit the scholarship search page, and then you just submit your application, and then submit your program, submit your application for admission as well. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you will like get the admission and go, you will get the scholarship, and you will like stay as an international student in abroad, and you complete your degree with good marks and with good in good environment. So I will see you in the next video with another scholarship opportunity. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and good luck with your future with your application.